Cooking healthy meals on a budget can be a daunting task, but it is not impossible. With a little creativity and planning, you can prepare affordable recipes that will help you achieve your weight loss goals. One key aspect is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are both nutritious and cost-effective. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. These can be bought in bulk or when they are in season, which usually means lower prices. Look for local farmers markets or discount grocery stores for the best deals. Another tip is to opt for lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, or beans, which are not only cheaper but also lower in fat. You can also stretch your budget by using cheaper cuts of meat and slow cooking them to make them tender and flavorful. Additionally, consider replacing refined grains with whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat pasta. These options are not only healthier but also more filling, meaning you'll eat less and save money in the long run. Lastly, don't forget about herbs and spices. They can transform a simple dish into a flavorful masterpiece without adding extra calories or breaking the bank. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite flavors. Remember, cooking healthy meals on a budget is all about being resourceful and making smart choices. By planning your meals, buying in bulk, and focusing on whole foods, you can achieve your weight loss goals without emptying your wallet. So, get creative in the kitchen and start enjoying delicious, affordable recipes that will nourish your body and help you shed those extra pounds.